What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change the rear wiper on a 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. With the vehicle running, you're going to turn on the rear wiper blade. Then as you can see, the wiper blade's on. Midway through the travel, you're going to turn the vehicle off and it's going to stop. It doesn't have to be straight up and down, it can be like this. Then simply pull the arm out and then remove the blade by pulling the side closest to the glass about 25 to 30 degrees, and it should pop out just like that. And this blade is kind of a specialty blade. It's got these couple rubber pieces here so that it can tuck up underneath the visor there. So I'll leave a link in the description below for this blade itself. And then to put it back on, you're simply going to take the arm, lift it up, put it about 25-30 degrees, and clip it back into place. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out my other 4Runner maintenance videos and all my other videos. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.